Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel J, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing a skincare routine Vsco Girl edition. All the products I'll be using today are brand new and also trending. So yeah, you guys, without all the chit chat, let's get straight into this video. Most people are under the wrong impression that you have to wash your face before you do anything, but you want to make sure you remove all of your dirt and all of your makeup. So today I'm going to be using the NEUTROGENA Purifying Cream Cleanser to do that. This cleanser not only removes all dirt and impurities, but it also gives your complexion an overall better look without over drying your skin. And you guys can use your fingers to apply any of these products. I thought I'd just be extra and use an applicator, and it's also way less messier in the end. Do keep in mind that during this process, we do want to leave our pores open. So when I dampen my towel, I'm going to make sure I'm using cool water. And after I dampen my towel, I'm just going to wring out all the excess water just to make sure that it's not drenching wet. And now I'm just simply removing the product from my... Is already looking better. And now for the last step is to relax and moisturize. But first I'm going to go in with my Jade roller just to get that blood pumping and get all the excess headache and anything that's frustrating our face just removed. These things feel so amazing, you guys. They already feel cool because of the material that they're made from, but just stick it in your refrigerator for like an hour or so and just watch the difference. It feels amazing, you guys. Lastly, it's time to moisturize. So first I'm gonna go in with my Rose Gold Oil Serum. And the thing I love about this oil serum that's different than others is that it has these little gold flakes in them. And they're supposed to be hydrating for your skin and also make your skin have that overall moisturized look. Which one to drive? This should always take me so much time. Convertible. So to apply it to my skin, I'm just going to take a few of my cotton balls, apply a little bit of the product, and add it to my skin. I just did this so I wouldn't use excess amount of the product. Like I said before, you guys, you can just use your fingers. Roll down the window and tell her she need to get with it. It's scratch, we can't be missing. We can't be missing. We can't be missing. And lastly, I'm going to go in with my Ellen Tracy Rose Gold Face Cream. And this is just a face butter that's going to leave our skin feeling so silky and smooth all day. And you want to take at least a dime-sized scoop. Yes, I took a freaking quarter-sized scoop. And just apply it to your face and gently moisturize your skin. Do-rag on my ways, money on my mind. We pull out new things in the summertime, one by one in a line. And this wouldn't be my video if I was an extra, so of course I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena Light Therapy Mask. Every 30 days, you have to go and get another one of these little remote things, and this is where the medicine stays. So as you can see, I'm on day 21. I just click the power on button and relax. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you did. And below will be where I got all the products. I hope y'all do try it out yourselves. And yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. So much moving, get another crib, another play.